Hi everyone, this is Scrapsation, and I want to share with you the altered mouse traps that we did over on Mini Album Scraps for the month of January. You had to alter 2 mouse traps, well 3 if you wanted to make one for yourself, and send in 2. So these are the mouse traps that I received from all the ladies that were in the swap, and they are absolutely fabulous. So the first one we have here is from Colleen. Make sure I got her. Yeah. This is from Colleen. And it is beautiful. She had a little dangle there. Some recollection. Butterflies. A Tim Holtz bird. Charm. Flowers. Stamps. It is gorgeous. It's a front, and then she stamped a little music note on the back. So very pretty, Colleen. That's Colleen. The next one here is from Merlaise. I hope I'm pronouncing your name right. Merlaise. Get it out the bag here. Isn't that gorgeous? Channel the bird cage. So pretty. Just a note. And the theme was love notes. That's the back. I love the way she put this little tab back here. It's a little piece of acetate. And you can like hang it up. But it's so cute. So that's from Merlaise. Okay. The next one we have is from Jennifer. I love the color she used on here. With the little clock. Look at all the flowers. Little stick pin, I think, in there. A heart stick pin there. Really, really pretty. And I don't know if how she did this, but this is, the texture of it is so neat. It's so pretty. That's the back she embossed. So that was Merlaise. The next one we have is from Rhonda. And Rhonda did 2 different ones, so I'll show both of hers. So this is the first one. And this is what Rhonda created. Isn't that cute? Look how she used a key up there. This is the key to my heart. Has a little dangle here. So cute. And you could use this to hold like little notes. And she had hers on the bottom. A lot of us had them on the top. But you could do them any way you wanted to. But that is so, so cute. So that's Rhonda's first one. And then this is her second one. This is her second one. Look at all the goodies down here. It's so pretty. Now she tied the twine around the heart. It was really, really cute, Rhonda. So that was Rhonda's second one. This one was made by Becky. And it's super cute. Look at that. I just love all the tassels. Look at all the work on this. Feathers and leaves. She's got a beautiful stamp. The flowers are like, has like little white paint on them to look like they're dusted. And then she has her little, and these can pull out. So she has like a little pocket. That's a cute idea. Very pretty. So that one was from Becky. Great job, Becky. Absolutely love that one. The next ones are from Susie Q. She did two different ones, so I'll show both of hers. This was the first one by Susie. Look at all that gorgeousness. That is super duper cute. Love that heart. That was Susie's first one. And this is her second one. Look at that big butterfly. Just gorgeous. Love how she used those. Just beautiful. The next one we have is by Miss D. Miss D also did two different ones, so I'll show both of hers. So this is her first one. Very pretty. Feathers, and she has a little glassine bag, I think right here she made. And these little things pull out, the little tickets. So that's really, really cute. So that's Miss D's. Love it, love it, love it. And this is the second one. This is Miss D's second one. Super cute. Look at the little flower here. I'm guessing she made that. It is so pretty. Love that. Miss D, did you make that? Super cute. So pretty. That's Miss D's. She always puts her information on the back. So Miss D's. And then last but not least, the one that I created. And it says just note. And some dingle down there. A little stick pin. Butterflies. And these you can like, I was thinking like you can get a sticky pad and put little notes in there, but you know these slide out, so you can write notes on those also. That's why I left them blank. Because I know I'm always looking for something to write notes on. So, but that's what I came up with. So again, thank you ladies for joining the swap. The swap is over on Mini Album Scraps. Each month we alter an item. So that month of January we did the altered mouse trap. This month we're altering jean pockets. And I've completed my jean pocket, so I will be uploading a video on that. It turned out super cute. I hope you ladies join us. If you're not in any of our swaps, come on over to Mini Album Scraps. It's a lot of fun. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.